Ready for this, folks? I just took it out of the oven, in the oven for 6 hours. Low and slow brisket right there. It was marinating in beer, a can of beer and some orange juice for a couple of days, just over 2 days. And then I put a rub on it. I put maple smoke rub, and then I make my own, that's a dry rub. And I marinated in that as well. And then I like I say, slow cooked it, brought it out. It is tender. It pulls away like pulled pork. And then I made my own rub, and I put that on there, and then I baked it further another half hour or so at 200. So this is beauty. My kids are coming over today, and we are going to have some beautiful brisket. I'm going to put it in just a little bit longer and lower the heat down, and get this stuff soaking in even more. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And sorry to offend you vegetarians out there, but I'm far from a vegetarian, man. I like a good brisket, especially when it melts in your mouth. Have a great day. Cheers to you. Bon appetit. Man, I wish you could smell that. Yummy.